Friends, welcome back to my channel. I have this steba room heater. It is not working. It is not powering on. Let's see what is the problem. If you don't have good practical experience in electrical circuits, never try to repair because it have live voltage. Its model number is steba H76/1. It is 220 volt operated, 50 Hz, 2000 watt. Set multimeter to resistance. No indication on multimeter. Let's open it. It has 4 screws. Yes, we can see this is disconnection. We can see sparking sign. The good thing in this, here it is using fireproof wire. This wire separated from here due to loose joint, maybe bad soldering or like that. Yes, this one wire is reaching here. After that, it is passing to this selector switch here, and second wire is reaching to this thermostat. One to this thermostat and second to this thermostat that is in high temperature area. It is safety. You can see one wire is coming here, then this switch, then it is passing to this selector. Selector will select position 1, 2 or fan, and then from here this common line is distributed to every section. These two lines for both heaters, high heater and low heater, and this common for fan and one common for this light. One line is reaching here to this safety and then it is reaching here. Fan with combination of indicator, one heater, fan, indicator, two heater, fan, indicator, and all four items have common return line from this thermostat. Line neutral. Let's check it now. Off position, fan and one heater, fan and two heaters, off, thermostat off. Fan off position, first heater, yes, now it is heating up. It's good now because now it is not covered, so this area it is heating up. Now it is tripped off, so it is good now, because when there is no good airflow, this safety will turn off. So the problem here that due to overheat or bad joint, this wire was making sparking, so it separated from here, so that was the reason. So it disconnected from this thermal cutout. Now the heater is working nice. Yes, now it is heating up and it is not tripping off because now the airflow is regular. Let's check its heat. Yes, now it's heating up. Thanks for watching.